Good morning and welcome to my favourite day of the entire year. Today is going to be a super busy day because today is my wellbeing day. So we're going to go drop this one off at preschool in a minute, aren't we? Yeah?
Yeah. So I want my bluey.
Wow! What happened there?
So I want my bluey hat.
Your bluey hat, can you find it?
Okay.
Oh goodness me. Is it under here? Is it under here? It's not there.
Someone must have pinched it from us.
No one's pinched it. It'll be somewhere. So today is a day where I have got a day off from work for myself. And I'm going to do all sorts of fun
How
things.
about April?
Can't find it.
Wow.
I bet I know where it is.
Yeah.
Did you take it off in the car yesterday?
Yeah.
On the way home from preschool?
Yeah.
Do you think it's still in Mummy's car then?
Yeah.
Rats. Gonna have to have a warm hat today.
Oh.
Well, it's in Mummy's car, isn't it? Okay. That's alright. Let's go pick a new hat. So today, the plans are currently haircut. Excuse the actual mess that this is. That needs doing. Swimming, gymming, working, and some interesting YouTube stuff, like behind the scenes of things to show you that I never really understand why it is the way it is, but it is. So that is all going to come up in today's vlog. It's going to be a bit of a mega vlog because I've got all day to myself to do it, and hopefully it'll be fun. Right now then, need to get into preschool and then need to work out where I'm going from there.
Another strap.
Need your other strap. This is one preschool ready child with a packed lunch as well.
And a backpack.
And a backpack. Let's get to work. You don't need an umbrella.
I feel like
You don't. It's not raining. School run done, everyone dropped off, and now I've filled the car up. And let me tell you, it's so nice to have a car that can do like 500 miles on the tank because I have to fill it up so less than the old one. So yeah, if you don't want a car, that's a jogger. 7 seats. So no, 6 seats. Good car. Anyway, headphones in, into the gym, get it done. Then get this mop of hair addressed. Okay, workout done, and I've just gone to the bank to get some money out to go have my haircut. And I need to move some money around all over the shop. And I thought I'd show you what I'm doing, or talk about what I'm doing, to kind of give you an insight into how we actually budget. So at the start of each month we move, like when I got paid, today's the 17th, I got paid on Friday. And all our money gets put into different pots. So we have, for example, a pot for fuel. So on the way back from school, I fill my car up, and that cost me £58.09 a day. So I'm going to take £58.09 out of our fuel budget. We put £200 in there this month because we are doing quite a lot of driving, like down to London and stuff. And I'm going to save that into the pot because obviously we use our Amex card to get the points on it. So I'm going to move that money now into my pot of money for Amex. So at the end of the month, when that has to get paid off, I've got all the money sat there waiting to get paid. So no interest or anything like that on any of that money. So that one's done. And then I also have just got some money out, which I should have got from Starling, but I got from the wrong bank instead. So I need to now move £20 for my hair and nails pot across into Halifax, because that's where all our bills come out, and I accidentally went and put the wrong card into the card machine, which is fine again, because I'm literally just going to transfer £20 across now for hair. And don't worry, my hair won't cost £20. It'll cost somewhere around a 10. I'm just never sure, it's slightly more, slightly less, so I got £20 just in case, and it'll do for something else later this month. So that's come out of that pot. So what we've got left, we've got a food shop pot, we've got obviously the fuel, miscellaneous, which we've spent quite a lot of already. We've got a lot of that left. That's just random payments for things like we've had to buy some, or we've got to buy some presents for his nursery staff, Noah's nursery staff, so that type of thing. It's all come out of there. Holiday part is all sat there, money we're saving to spend on holidays, all that type of thing. So we are looking good. It's good, but there is quite a lot of money there flying around, and that's just how we kind of keep track of it all. So anyway, I'm going to go get this shaggy mop of hair sorted out, and then we'll be on our way next. Here is the top half of my face sorted out. Now time to go home and sort out the bottom half of my face myself. So we've got razor to obviously do my face, But also, Rachel's got me one of these, which apparently is going to stop the mess from needing tidying up after, which would save me a good few minutes of time, hopefully. So, we get it out. This might be an absolute embarrassment, but it supposedly hooks onto it somehow and then like sticks onto the bottom of the mirror and then the hair doesn't go everywhere effectively. So let's see if it actually works, or whether it's just going to be. I think this goes around me. It's done that back there like a massive bib. Oh, drop one of the things. And then is there some hooks on the end of this? There is indeed. One hook there to go on that. One hook there. Oh, it's fallen off already. Brilliant. That's what's going to happen. It's going to work for 5 minutes. And then it's going to drop all the hair just everywhere. I'm telling you now. Well, the idea behind it works, apart from both sticky things don't stick. I can see the theory. It's just all going to go. No, not working. I'm just going to have to tidy up. That is, I think, job done. I'm sure you guys will tell me if I've missed any bits. I'm sure Rachel will tell me when she gets back, but looks alright. I now need a shower to get all the hair off me. I need to put my watch on charge because I need to go swimming in an hour, so I've not got long. Right, shower's done. Time to grab this and get that in the bin because that was absolutely useless. And it's time to eat some breakfast. I have not eaten anything yet today. I've had a cup of coffee and that is it. It's 10:30. I've been to the gym and about to go swimming. I need some fuel in my body to keep me going. Now, I think today, or at least this morning, that is going to take the form of some peanut butter sandwiches. And maybe a milkshake, because, it's one of those snacks I had as a kid constantly, and I've just got some milkshake powder in, and I'm just reliving my childhood. So, yeah, let's do that. Breakfast of champions right there. So I've now got just under an hour, and you can see there my yellow ones. I've got 3 different videos I need to sit and attempt to begin editing. I've also been analysing some from some other videos over here. Breakfast to eat, drink to drink, and get ready for swim, which I've not done in ages. I'm so looking forward to this. Right, we've got one video currently exporting. Food has been eaten, drink has been drunk, so this needs to get locked. 1, 2, 3. And I need to get myself ready and packed for swimming. I've got about 10 minutes, so that video shall be done in a few minutes. Oh, we've got a parcel. I'm going to get the parcel in this thing as well. Yeah, that video should be done in about 3 minutes. I need to get it uploaded to YouTube just to keep myself ahead of the game. But let's go find what this parcel is, because that's always interesting. It says it's in the blue bin. So let's go find out what we've got, and then I need to be quick. Blue parcel for Noah. And that's my Auntie Lucy's present for him. She said it was on its way. Very nice. So there we go. Christmas present for Noah. Speaking of, I need to get rid of all these because he keeps on trying to open them, and I don't know why we put them there. It was just what we always do. We've always, before we had kids, and even the previous years when he's not been that bothered about Christmas, just put them under the tree. This we just put them under the tree, and then now he wants to open them every day, so I need to hide them later on. But I need a swimming costume, and I need a towel that needs to go swimming. Here we go. We're ready. I want to hopefully do between 1 and 2 kilometres, what's what, between 40 and 80 lengths is the plan. That was hard work. I did 50 lengths in just over half an hour. Forgot my watch, so I can't record any of it, which is frustrating, but I also I wasn't there for the watch, I was there for me, I was there to do it. So I'm very proud of that for a first proper swim in about 2 years. I did some lengths in the pool at Turkey this summer, but they were tiny. So now I'm going to nip to Asda and get myself some kind of yummy dinner because I deserve it and I've not eaten enough to eat today. Absolute champion dinner right there. And yes, it's a cheat meal. It's my well-being day. I'm going to sit and relax and enjoy myself a little bit because I am tired. 1 hour later, I'm coming back downstairs. You know what? It has just been so nice just to sit and chill for a little bit because it's been a mental day. I've loved being able to do my own thing, but I've got to do 2 more bits and pieces. Bits and pieces number 1 is I'm thinking about doing a YouTube live, which I do every now and then. I haven't done one for a little while. Because I want to do some looking at things about New York, and it's always helpful when I do it with other people, and they come in and kind of say, oh, you can go look at this, or oh, you can go have a look at that. So I am going to go back upstairs and do that, and then I need to come back down once that is done and look at there's a room just a mess. It needs tidying up from this morning, and all these presents need putting up in the loft because Noah keeps on trying to get to them. And bless him, he does stop. Like when we say stop, he does stop, but it's just torture for him seeing all presents that he can't open. And I prefer to save it for, not all of them for Christmas Day, obviously, because some of them are still going to be here, but either just before or just after we go. And then he can have some of them there. So I'm going to go onto YouTube Live and then go and do that. And if you do ever want to come and join me on a live and say hi in the comments while I'm live, make sure you've got notifications on the channel because I don't really have a schedule for them at the minute. I don't really stick to any kind of schedule on them. As you've seen with these videos this month, they should be going live at 5 o'clock every day, so I'm just trying to fiddle with this light. And they don't invariably. There we go. Oh. Okay, I'll work that out. But yeah, let's go live. Okay, I am going to get some lights turned on and go and start doing the job that I have been putting off all day long. And let's get all those presents back upstairs and probably into the loft so they are hidden out the way. I just finished my live and I thought it went really well, and then I've gone and replayed it back to have a look at it, and it was like my voice was just repeating itself over and over again on the audio. So I've deleted it and it's gone, and I will try again another day. I just can't seem to get the hang of streaming live on YouTube. I've done it before on all sorts of different platforms. YouTube, unless it's just directly through my phone, can't seem to get my hang of it. Like when I try and do it through some software so I can see the screen or something as well. Not a chance. So we have got, need to try and get them all sorted and taken upstairs. So these are all going to come upstairs with me, and I need to take them up here, and they need to go up into that loft. Wish me luck. Mission 1, everything is upstairs. Mission 2, get the loft hatch open. Mission 3, get the ladder down. Pros are being tall. And then get this open. There we go. And then, hey, fancy seeing you up here. So let's see what space we're working with. Get a light on. I reckon this is where the Christmas stuff normally goes. So we've got that space. And we need to get some of these down soon to pack. So let's go with this as where the presents will go. And voila. One pile of presents firmly hidden away. So you know when you put a job off all day long and then you get around to doing it and it takes you like 3 minutes. What's the point in waiting? Okay, where are we today? It is 10 to 3. I am pretty much done. Rachel will be finishing school in 20 minutes, half an hour, and hopefully we'll go and get Noah together when she's back because she's not swimming today because it's a Tuesday. We might be going out for a meal this evening, though I'll see how she feels. Oh no, we're not, we've got raclette. We're doing a raclette this evening, so I'm going to leave today's video here, and this evening will be tomorrow's vlog, because doing a raclette is brilliant, and it's a bit of time for me and Rachel to sit and chill. We will make a video showing you guys it, obviously, but it's also just a nice little time for us, and this video is going to be way longer than normal anyway. So I'm going to leave this one here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for being part of our little Walton family community we've got on YouTube. The support you're giving us at the minute is absolutely unbelievable. So thank you so much for all of that. And we'll see you in the next one. This is coming out in a few days' time, a few days before New York. And I can't wait for New York.